KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, in this video I am coloring a duck. Green color, I am coloring its face. The duck is living in a water and land. A duck is a bird. I created bird. Ducks like to eat earthworm and small fishes, frog and grass. Brown color, I am coloring its neck. Duck have a short neck. I am coloring its wings. Duck have a wings, but it can't fly. Skin color, I am coloring its back and lower side. Ducks are very friendly, but ducks are swim in the water and
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am coloring its beak with orange color. Red color, I am coloring its tongue. Now I am coloring in water.
Subscribe us for more videos.